Hey friends, if you wish to set Google as homepage in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's very easy. You can open Edge. Edge is a Chromium based browser, so the procedure is same as that of Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Go to the appearance tab and now scroll down to the home area. Okay, home button. Click on set button URL. Okay, select this one and it will be google.com by default, not a problem. Now close Edge and simply open it again, and you'll notice that it's opening a new tab. So we'll do it again. Appearance, scroll down, set button URL, and it is show home button on tab. Select this one and make it what do we say, google.com, and then it says when Edge starts, open these pages and then click on add a new page and name it google.com. Hit enter to add it. Now close it and open Edge and see it will open at google.com. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.